get checked in for the event, get our trail passes and t-shirts and all that good stuff. So we'll be right back. This is the part of Oklahoma that you need to see. This is just tall pines, just beautiful. People don't realize that Oklahoma has mountains. We've got lots of mountains, lots and lots of mountains, but 90% of them are here in southeast Oklahoma. The other 10% are down by Lawton and Fort Sill. So you really need to come down here and check it out. Well, we got registered Saturday morning. Got the trail pass, got the raffle tickets, got the shirts. We are good to go. So overall, what do I think about the Smittybilt Overland XL trailer? Well, to be quite honest with you, I love it. I was toiling over, should I buy a CVT, should I buy a 23-0, should I get this, should I get that, or should I just get the Smittybilt and call it done? So we went with the Smittybilt. It's significantly cheaper than all the other ones, and it's great. I think it's a great tent for the money. It's probably somewhat difficult to get an idea of the size of the tent while I'm just standing in the little annex room below. This tent is super spacious. My wife and I ended up there, and it's great. It's bigger than our bed at home. And then my daughter and her friend were down here on cots. There's plenty of room. In the Overlander XL model, the footprint the annex room footprint is big enough that you can put 2 cots. We've got them in an L. I don't know if you can see that. But my daughter and her friend didn't have any complaints. They actually had a lot more fun than they thought they were going to. I thought that was really neat. But the annex room is plenty big enough to change in. It's plenty big enough to hang out in and play cards if it's raining. And we did get a bunch of rain yesterday. Was the mattress comfortable? Yeah, the mattress was comfortable, believe it or not. It's not like sleeping on my bed at home, and I probably will I'll add another pad like the other people that have bought this tent before me. I'll probably add another pad like they do. But yeah, it's comfortable. I'm 46. It's not like I woke up dying. You know, it's adequate. But that being said, I probably will add a pad to it just to make it a little bit more like home or whatever. Some of you might be asking, well, hey, what are you doing? You're in a state park. You're not overlanding. You're not off the grid. You're not roughing it. Well, I know. I know we're cheating. We're cheating on this first one. This was the first trip, and I just wanted to make it easy. I wanted to make it where we could just roll up, plug in, and be camping. And this was the 2019 Robbers Cave State Park, the Jeep invasion they have every year, and we wanted to be part of the event. We are one of the sponsors of the event, and so we wanted to come down here for sure and show up and hang out and meet all the cool people and all that. So we are at the state park. I also want to throw in a quick 20-30 second review of my Fatboy Cooler. These guys make coolers just like Yeti, just like Arctic, just like all the other guys, and they're way cheaper, and I think they're just as good, if not better, whatever. So when we left 3 days ago. Yeah, when we left 3 days ago, I've got the here. You can kind of see. Actually, I'm going to stop this and flip it around, and you'll see. Hang on. So this is the Fatboy Cooler that I've got. I think it's the 45 is the model it is, and we left 3 days ago. I'm not kidding when I say this. 3 days ago, and when I bought this cooler, I got the little accessory kit. It comes with a removable cutting board. It comes with the food basket to keep your food dry, and then it's got a little cup holder that you can put on the end as well. Well, 3 days ago when we left, I still had a full bag of Sonic ice in my deep freeze at home. I threw it in there, and that's what you have now. That's adding no more ice to that thing at all. 3 days. So Fatboy, you got a customer for life, and me. This is awesome. Oh, and the drain, when I get home and I go to drain it, the drain is on that side, not this side, but it's a super huge drain, so you can open it up and it just no time flat. So yep.
Says, remember, stupid, you got to drive this to work Monday.
Leslie just told Kevin that something was leaking. She failed to mention that we just drove through 3 feet of water, so